So, welcome and a very good evening, everyone. I will be your host for today's welcoming ceremony here at Hackveda Limited. My name is Prithvi Pujari and I'm from Mumbai, and I currently hold the position of Scrum Manager here at Hackveda. So, just to give you a brief about my history with the company, I used to be a data science intern here at Hackveda before. So, let's talk about the table of content or the agenda for today's welcome session. So, first, we'll be taking a quick look at the description of the company, followed by the vision and mission of the company, then key products and services, followed by key people in the organization, followed by market analysis and customer profile, which includes the types of customers we mainly deal with. Afterwards, we will have a brief discussion on the intern tracker web application. And finally, we will discuss our future plans and goals. So Hackveda Limited was established around 2011 with the primary goal of addressing cybersecurity challenges, although our work had already begun before 2011. Earlier, Hackveda Limited operated under the brand name of VMDD Technologies, so which basically served as a vendor for embedded hardware boards and various forms of verification software for defense research and development organizations. In the initial stages around 2011 to 2012, Hackveda Limited commenced by developing cybersecurity products at a smaller scale. Simultaneously, the company started engaging and research and collaborations with organizations aiming to familiarize researchers with the concepts of cybersecurity. Now, these efforts included elucidating, meaning explaining or elaborating the domain of cybersecurity and identifying possible avenues for publications and research. Subsequently, in 2012, we began conducting cybersecurity workshops. By approximately 2014 to 15, the company's expertise in cybersecurity had grown significantly. Eventually, in 2017, the company officially registered as a separate entity, independent from VMDD Technologies. Now, the core mission revolved around tackling cybersecurity issues, software development, providing research support, and fostering workforce development. And within a year of establishment, the company expanded its global reach and got registered in Canada in 2018. The main mission of the company is to address hiring challenges by establishing a workforce pipeline connecting educational institutes to industries. Our objective is basically to develop products at an industry level and share our experiences. You all will have the opportunity to contribute to a goal of creating industry products by collaborating with us to acquire knowledge and experience. Your creativity will be utilized to enhance existing products and create new ones. Now that the products were mentioned, we'll be taking a key look at all of the products that our company has developed over the past few years. So the first one is body composition machine. This is a product we manufacture that helps analyze body composition. Then we have the paratrooper locator system. This is one of our flagship products, continually improved over more than 5 years. It's used for locating paratroopers and is supplied to ADRD Agra, a defense research organization. Then we have the AI Blood Report Manager, another significant product utilizing AI and NLP to extract and analyze data from medical reports. It identifies anomalies, recommends treatments, and aids doctors in analysis. It's currently employed by various diagnostic labs. Then we have the Heart Fitness app. This app assesses the user's heart health and is utilized by athletes, fitness coaches, and institutes. Versions include Android and smartwatch apps with a web app currently in development. Then we have the Pearson VOE Test Center. Now, we're basically a certified Pearson VOE Test Center, which facilitates over 3,000 exams, including those by Microsoft and Amazon. We serve more than 3,500 clients through these centers. Then we have the algorithmic trading system. We employ various algorithms for stock trading, predicting drops and their extents. In addition, we also delve into various other technologies like machine learning, deep learning, and cloud computing. These products have specific focus areas. Around 33.3% are geared towards defense research, approximately 25% cater to healthcare, roughly 16.7% are intended for research and professional courses, and about 8.3% pertain to internships and training. So, one of our primary services is software development for clients, including defense research and development organizations. We collaborate with scientific analysis groups. Additionally, we partner with laser science technology groups and the Center for Fire Explosives. In the healthcare domain, we specialize in creating Django web applications, Android apps, and smartwatch applications. Another significant area of focus is education, where we design professional courses, workshops, and training sessions. We also provide research support with our current research scope encompassing machine learning, deep learning, cybersecurity, and network simulation. Furthermore, we are actively broadening our research horizon. As we have previously discussed, we are an authorized Pearson VUE test center, which facilitates more than 3,000 international exams. That being kept in mind, we also develop assessment exams for selective clients. Lastly, we offer internships and professional courses both in person and online. Our programs include self paced learning with live mentorship, and we may share some of these courses with you. Now, coming to the key people of our company, first we have Mr. Devanshu Shukla. He is the co-founder, executive officer, and technical officer at Hackveda Limited. He oversees technical operations and projects within the company. Then we have Mr. Vijay Kumar, a retired wing commander of the Indian Air Force. He currently serves as the director of operations and is the owner of VMDD Technologies since 2008. Following him is Ms. Neha Avasti, a co-founder and director of HR. Lastly, we have Mr. Sumit Dhama, a co-founder of Hackveda Limited in Canada. He resides in Canada and manages the Canadian branch. Prior to this, he gained experience working at American Express and Amazon. Given the expansive scope of the IT market, we predominantly operate within these five segments. So first, we have training. We initiate by providing comprehensive training on the chosen technology to our team. Then assessment exams. We subsequently create a variety of assessment exams to evaluate proficiency in the technology. Then we have research. We then delve into in-depth research pertaining to that technology, constantly seeking avenues for improvement and innovation. Then we have software development. Utilizing the insights gained from research, we proceed to develop software applications centered around the technology. Finally, delivery. The fully developed software is delivered to our clients. It's worth noting that the Defense Research and Development Organization, or DRDO, stands as one of our major clients. Now, this process ensures a holistic approach to technology implementation and a thorough cycle of learning, development, and application. Customer profile. As I previously mentioned, we collaborate with several esteemed organizations, including DRDO, SAG, Laser Scientific Technology Group, Center for Fire Explosives, Department of Education, and the Ministry of Home Affairs. Here are some of our accomplishments. In the 2021 to 2022 period, we conducted workshops for school students in the Delhi NCR region, focusing on topics such as cybersecurity. Additionally, we engaged in projects like sentiment analysis. Within the healthcare segment, our primary clients consist of dietitians, sports coaches, and doctors. In this realm, we have undertaken projects like the AI Blood Manager, Diet Recommender, and the Heart Fitness app. In the realm of research, we extend our expertise to assist PhD scholars, supporting them with technical facets of their work. We establish partnerships with a variety of institutes and industries to equip them with a skilled workforce. In this endeavor, we also facilitate the administration of assessment tests. These efforts reflect our commitment to a diverse range of sectors, including defense, healthcare, research, and education, as well as our dedication to enhancing technical skills and fostering collaborations. So let's talk about the intern tracker web application. Before showing you the web application itself, I'll guide you through all of the protocols first. So first we have the intern activation. Now our intern activation process ensures seamless onboarding for new interns, acquainting them with our company's culture and expectations. Then we have the task allotment. Once on board, interns are assigned tasks based on their skills and interests, aligning with our ongoing projects. Then we have the presentation schedule. Basically, presentations are scheduled at regular intervals where interns showcase their work and share their findings with the team. Then we have submissions and presentation scoring. Completed tasks are submitted for review, and interns are evaluated based on their presentation and work quality. Then we have the scoring parameters. So we basically utilize specific criteria to assess interns' performance, including the quality of their work, presentation skills, and their ability to meet deadlines. I'll show you guys the web applications, but let's just quickly get done with what our future plans really are. So, like I've mentioned initially as well, the primary objective is twofold. Firstly, to create innovative new products and develop application mockups. Secondly, to enhance the quality of the workforce and establish a robust pipeline between industries and educational institutes. Guys, let me know if you can see the web application in the chat box. Okay, great. So this is basically our intern tracker web application. Here you will be able to see your profile picture. You can update your own profile picture along with your name, email, and contact. The internship details will be given. The department will be mentioned. The industry mentor, which is Mr. Devanshu Shukla. The start date of your internship will also be mentioned. Your internship status will be mentioned. The stipend and stipend date will only be shown to you once you're considered eligible as the paid intern. What I want you guys to do first is that whenever you log in to the web applications, I want you guys to mark the attendance first. And I want you to do this once every single day, because we have certain criterias in order to, consider that you're viable to be transitioned into the paid internship program. So basically, you need an attendance percentage of around 70 or more. Your performance should be around the same percentage, basically 70% or more. uh, Another thing is that to attain that kind of a performance, and you basically need to do a lot of tasks. So you need to do a minimum of 4 to 6 tasks. Make sure that in your 2 months of probationary period, you are taking up a lot of tasks. You are consistently setting, let's say, you're telling yourself you'll just do four tasks in each month. That would be more than enough for you, or you can push for 6. It is all up to you, all up to how you complete everything. Okay, now that we have talked about this, we have talked about marking the attendance. Make sure you're not clicking on the request completion letter by a mistake, because if you do that, you'll be instantly sent a termination letter. That is a one time button. Do not, out of curiosity, do anything with it. uh, Also, once you're here, once you have marked your attendance, make sure that you are requesting for a new task. We won't be sending you a task directly. You'll have to request for a new task, and the tasks will be given to you within 24 to 48 hours. And let's say once you're done with all of the tasks, you have created your presentation, uh, you have to click on schedule a presentation button. Again, within 24 to 48 hours, you'll be given a date for when you can show up in the scrum meeting to give your presentation. Deadlines will also be mentioned, and make sure, guys, you're doing everything within the deadline. You do not want to give your presentations after the deadline, because we will be deducting your marks, and I'll be talking about the scoring parameters later too. Your task progress will also be shown here. Probation performance progress won't be shown. Then the profile settings, of course. If you want to just keep your first name, you can do that. You can just remove your last name. You can edit your email ID. You can change your password. But I would recommend that you stick to not changing your email ID. You can change your password if you want. Uh, just a second. So when you click on the tasks tab, here you will be able to see your task progress. Over here, you will be able to, see the topic of your task. You will also be seeing the assigned date, the due date, the status, and we will also be providing you with references for the task, so you do not have to worry about it. You'll be given instructions on how to do all of the tasks. Once, let's say, you're done with the task, your topic the topic will be shown over here, your presentation date will be shown over here, the status will be shown along with the feedback. Now the feedback will be given by the scrum managers. Scrum managers are basically the ones who will be taking the scrum meetings, and they will be, assessing you based on all of the scoring parameters that had been mentioned in the presentation. I'll be talking about it, so no need to worry about that. Let's say the references and the instructions and all of the material that we have provided to you aren't enough. What you guys can do is that you guys can show up over here in the search references tab, and then you can pretty much search for your tasks. Now, all of the interns that have come before you, they have done those tasks. So you can look up for your topic name, and then you can, just take references. Try not to copy the entire material, because as Scrum managers, we thoroughly know what kind of content each intern has, presented over the course of months. So best not to copy anything. Just take references, make something of your own. So let's say you are facing difficulties with your task, or you have some sort of queries about your internship, or anything at all. You can just click over here and you can see this mail ID over here, support@hackveda.in. Mail, send a mail to them. Our team will pretty much reply within, again, 24 to 48 hours time frame has been allotted to the team. They will be reaching out to you within that. And then all of your issues will be resolved. That was pretty much it about the intern tracker application. Let's go back to the presentation. So yeah, scoring parameters. So first of all, we have all of these parameters, and based on this, we will be, giving you guys scores. And this will basically determine if you guys are even eligible for the paid internship. So first we have the hook score. Hook score basically means uh, in what way you are explaining all of the concepts in the presentation about your task. Then we have the story score. Now you basically have to assume that the audience is, you know, the audience are basically kids. They do not have any idea. So you have to come up with creative stories in order to, explain the most complex concepts, algorithms in the simplest terms possible. Then we have the PPT score. The PPT score is basically just, your designs, the styles that you choose. Make sure you aren't including gigantic paragraphs. You need to include only bullet points, and then you have to elaborate on those bullet points. Then we have the communication score. We'll be seeing how well spoken you are when it comes to English. Then we have the Q&A score. We will be seeing how exactly you'll be tackling the questions thrown at you by the scrum managers. Then we have the end presentation score. That basically just means that we'll be seeing how you conclude the presentation. Then we have the demonstration score. That is pretty much understandable. We'll be seeing that how exactly you are demonstrating your project. Then there's this camera score, microphone score, background image score, internet score. All of those are self-explanatory. You also have to include a references slide that will also, carry significant amount of marks. Make sure you're including a references slide, a Q&A slide. Your Q&A slide should include an email ID. Then you have to include a conclusion slide, and you have to include a thank you slide separately. Now these four things are very, very important, because if most of our interns end up losing their scores over there. So that is pretty much about a welcome session. Now, I want you guys to raise your hands one by one. I'll be calling out your name. I want you to unmute, and I want you to turn on your camera and give a brief introduction about yourself. Talk about where you're from, the college you're in, uh, your accomplishments, what year are you in, what are you expecting out of your internship, and any other, yeah, the department that you're also in here at Hackveda Limited. So, guys, please start raising your hands. You have to participate because this is mandatory for your attendance so that we can consider you as active in our company. If you guys aren't raising your hands, I'll just start right away. There are only 3 people, guys. Saurabh, go on.
Hey, hello.
Saurabh, I can't see you.
Wait,
Yeah,
am I audible?
yeah.
Hi everyone. Good evening. My name is Saurav Gambhiri. I am currently pursuing my MCA from D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, Pune. And before that, I have completed 2 internships in backend development as a Java developer backend editor in Pune itself. And I have joined this Hackveda last this first day, and I'm looking for the gain the hands-on experience and a great opportunity. And I have joined the Java backend developer internship in Hackveda.
Great, great. Thank you, Saurabh. Sakshi, you can unmute.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
Good evening, one and all present here. This is Shakshi Dumka here from Uttarakhand, Nainital. Currently, I'm pursuing integrated MBA. Now, I'm in ninth semester, and my specialization is finance and HR. And I have taken the department is optional training advertiser internship, and I have heard from my about the internship from my department head. That's all. Thank you.
Great. Thank you, Sakshi. I think there was another lady here. She left. We'll just consider as her as an actor for a while. Guys, if you both have any other queries, I'll take them right now. If you don't, we'll just end the welcome session. Yes, Saurabh.
I have a question like, is there the first meeting or something, some other meetings are there for the same introduction or presentation?
This is the welcome session, right? This is the first meeting.
No, is there another meeting for presentation or something?
I mean, you'll have to start with your internship first, right? Only then you will be able to join the other meetings. You'll have to get done with a particular project first. Then you'll have to show up in that. You'll be, given a link to join the meeting. You'll have to give a presentation over there.
Okay, since I have another question. Since I am from the technical uh, development projects as a Java backend developer,
Okay.
so I will be getting the development roles or feel another type of like presentation now.
Basically, you've been given you'll be given a project. Okay.
Okay,
You'll have to work on that project. You'll have to create a presentation based on that project. You'll have to show up in the Scrum meeting. You'll have to give your presentation, and then you'll have to also show the project that you have worked on.
yeah, that's it.
Okay. Anything
Okay,
else?
no, thank you.
Okay. Yes, Akshay.
I think question that what type of work I have to do because I have taken the operational ट्रेडिंग डिपार्टमेंट ना तो उसमें मुझे क्या वर्क मिलेगा अलॉट क्या होगा
Basically, right now, I think that is a completely new domain. And since I am from the technical department, I do not have much idea about it. What you can do is that you can just either request for your task, all of
I have
the
done I have done that.
Okay, then wait for around 24 to 48 hours. You'll receive a mail along with your task, all of the instructions, all of that other stuff. If you feel like the task is still not clear, like I said, there's that email ID. You can just reach out to them. You can talk about your queries to them. They'll be giving all of the answers.
Okay.
Okay. Uh,
Thank you.
yeah. Vimuri, I think you did not give your introduction. So let's start with you.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
Hello everyone, I'm Smita. This is not my first day actually. I'm supposed to present my second task, but I wonder if I've joined some batch one. So, sir, I'm supposed to give a SDLC based structured application
Okay,
presentation.
you're supposed to give a presentation.
Ex-
For today, we just have the welcome session, and the other Scrum managers aren't available. So
Okay,
we'll only be having the welcome session today. Okay.
fine, sir. I'll do it on another day.
Yeah. Okay, no
Thank
problem.
you.
Yeah. Pratibamba, are you here for the presentation or were you here for the welcome session?
Actually, I was here for the presentation, sir. In another link also, though no one was joined, so I joined here.
Yeah. See, the thing is, today the other Scrum managers aren't available. That's why the link over there uh, isn't working for today. So just join in tomorrow. Everybody will be present. You can give your presentation tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. I don't think we have any other queries or any other presentations as such for today. So I'll just end the welcome session. Thank you everybody for joining in and good luck with your internships.